How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of smelly shoes instantly with baking soda. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So this is very, very common, you guys. People get extremely smelly shoes. I have a lot of friends, what they'll do is they'll actually throw their shoes away, which is really, really bad because you can get rid of the smell in about 12 to 24 hours. All you do is you get the baking soda, and you sprinkle it inside the shoe. So you get the baking soda, sprinkle it inside the shoe, and then get the shoe and then kind of move it side to side, spreading it evenly throughout the shoe. And here's the thing, you have to leave it for about 24 hours. 12 hours is okay, but 24 hours is more optimal, if you will. So again, if you need to use the shoes the next day, then I would suggest, if you're done wearing them for the day, say 7 o'clock at night, wait 12 hours, 7 o'clock in the morning, you got to make sure you sprinkle the baking soda out of the shoe when you are done. Don't just leave the baking soda in the shoe. Now, why does this work? Baking soda attaches itself to the smell, you guys. And then what happens is if you get enough baking soda, it will remove the smell. I've used this for dishwashers, smelly dishwashers. I've used this for smelly water bottles. I've used this for rugs or carpets, stuff that gets stains on them. It smells. I've used it for clothes that smell. It works, you guys. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and it works extremely well. So that's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.